Hey, Devin here with Patriot Awning Company. Today is Trade Secret Tuesday. Yes, we're doing another trade secret video. This video is related to how we attach awning fabric to the frames that we build. Patriot Awning Company is an awning manufacturer. We're not just an awning company, we manufacture the products that we sell right here in Charlotte, North Carolina, in the good old US of A. Now, the thing that I'm going to show you today is for our grommets. Our grommets, they bite. They've got teeth. You got to be careful. So let's get to it. So let's talk about the anatomy of a grommet. Our brass grommets here, this is a spur grommet, and you can see that it has teeth on it. Teeth are awesome because teeth will grab into the fabric. This here is a piece of lace strip that is sewn. It's got a reinforcement on the inside of it. And you'll see a thin piece of rope that we've sewn in right here. It's 1/4 inch rope that we've sewn inside of the reinforcement. That rope just keeps the grommets from pulling out, because when we get down to tightening on these covers, it can get pretty tight. And this here is a grommet machine. This is a pneumatic Monroe machine. Our grommets are made in England. England. I wonder if they break for tea time in England instead of regular breaks. Anyway, I'm going to get this thing plugged in. I'm going to show you how it works. Place what you want to grommet inside the grommet machine. Got a little pedal down here, and you just hit the pedal. That's the compressor that's kicked on. Hey, so I wanted to thank everybody for checking out our short little video on grommets. If you have any questions or anything, put them down in the comments section. We really appreciate everybody that's checked out our YouTube channel, the likes, the shares, the thumbs up, the love we've been shown. Y'all have a great day out there in YouTube land.